Continuing with the recording issues, can you play back a recorded video file into a WebRTC call? I've got an MP4 file, the recording of this session, and I want to share it in a meeting with other participants within the call. Can I do that?
Yes, there are multiple ways, and mostly they depend on what format you have the file, if you have the file locally, if you have it in the cloud. So let's look at each of these. If you have the file locally, you can use, for example, Capture Stream to play it locally, then get a stream out of the Capture Stream and add it to the peer connection. Problem is that needs transcoding.
Okay, so I take the file, the MP4 file. The browser is going to decode the file locally, and then I'm going to re-encode that same file when I send it in WebRTC to the participants or whatever.
Yes.
Okay.
Not very efficient.
True.
The other thing you can do is to upload the file and then basically use any HTTP playback technique to play it from the server for all participants. You can synchronize that. It requires some orchestration to get right.
Yep, and that's not exactly WebRTC. We're just doing it in parallel to WebRTC.
Yes. And the third alternative is to somehow upload it to the server and then instruct the server to play it back over a peer connection, which is similar to the local variant, but you need to make sure that the server can play and that the content is actually compatible with WebRTC. So H.264 was a codec, then you play it back from the server, which assumes that you have enough bandwidth to play it back.
Yes, and I guess that's the biggest challenge that people don't understand. When I'm trying to play a file into a meeting, even if the file is on the server, if there is not enough bitrate or bandwidth for one of the users to actually play back the file, there's going to be an issue. And if there's going to be a packet loss along the way, there is no real alternative or option to ask for an iframe there or a keyframe because it's a file, it's not dynamic.
Yes. So you basically need a server-side way to re-encode, and you don't want that.
Okay, so I guess that the answer is yes, you can, but it's not that simple. It's not that straightforward, let's say.
Yes.
Okay.